How to not deliver a message on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you cannot deliver a message on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by this, what do you really mean? Whether you want to send someone a message or maybe someone sent you a message, even though you haven't seen the message, it will simply show a check mark like this to them, which will indicate that the message has been delivered to you. Do you not want that to be the case? What is it that you are really looking for? Now regardless of everything, what you want to do is just tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen, then tap on the little gear icon as you can find here. And once you tap the gear icon from the top right over there, you can just scroll down here to the option known as privacy and safety and tap on privacy and safety. And once you tap on privacy and safety, over here you can simply go to the option known as restricted accounts and then tap on it, or you can also simply go to message delivery, and then you can just customize who can message you and where do you want the message to go. If you send the message to the message request folder instead of chats, they will not know that the message has been delivered because it will indicate only a check but without the shade. So hope this video helped you guys as to how you cannot deliver a message on Messenger. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.